जनों के संकट, दास जनों के संकट क्षण में दूर करे। ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
जो ध्यावे फल पावे, दुख बिन से मन का।
स्वामी दुख बिन से मन का।
सुख संपत्ति घर आवे,
सुख संपत्ति घर आवे।
कष्ट मिटे तन का।
ओम जय जगदीश हरे।
मेरी होली मेरी होली दशहरा दिवाली, मेरी होली दशहरा दिवाली, तेरी कृपा से है शेरवाली, तेरी कृपा से है शेरवाली।
मेरी आंगन में खुशहाली, मेरे आंगन में खुशहाली, तेरी कृपा से है शेरवाली, तेरी कृपा से है शेरवाली, तेरी कृपा से है शेरवाली।
मैं उतराया इश्क दे अखाड़े, बजा दे देसी गीत ढोलिया, ले जाऊंगा मैं तैनू दिन दहाड़े, बजा दे देसी गीत ढोलिया, तेरे नैना मारे गोलियां। मैं उतराया इश्क दे अखाड़े, बजा दे देसी गीत ढोलिया। तेरी आंखें लवली लवली पलक है शरारों में, कर दे तू ऑर्डर मैनू लव बैंड बाजा में। तू है मेरी हीर कुड़िए, मैं है तेरा राजा में, दुनिया को छोड़ के सच गली आ जावे।
दिल की गलियां दिल की यारी, आसान नहीं है साझेदारी, मैं तो चैन बैन सब खाली।
करूंगा मैं ऐलान सीना फाड़े, बजा दे देसी गीत ढोलिया।
Hi, welcome once again to Bull of Fiji TV's special edition of the Diwali Mela here in Liverpool and Sydney, New South Wales, organized by the Sri Sanatan Dharam Pratinivi Sabha of Sydney, Australia.
Thank you very much for the welcome.
Thank you very much. And the Diwali Mela here, what's happening today?
Well, there's variety of items. We've got a lot of stage plays and stage acts, a lot of songs and dances, lots of vanity stalls and food items being sold. And in the evening, we've got a very good spectacle that's going to start at 7 o'clock. That has happened. It's happening twice around. First time last year, it was a huge success, and we are replicating that again this year.
And as you said, that last year was a huge success. For how many years has this program been organized here in Liverpool?
This is our fifth year, our fifth anniversary, and we have grown in stature. We have grown from strength to strength. Of course, the strength lies in the support that we have got from the public, and we hope and seek the support in years to come. It's one of the marquee events that is organized by our organization, which is Sri Sanatana Dharma Pratinithi Sabha of Australia, and we also thank the Bula Fiji TV for their time and support. For Deepavali Mela 2011.
Thank you very much, Satish. Satish, once again, the program today, any highlights, special highlights for the program?
7 o'clock tonight, we've got the chief guest coming, the Lord Mayor of Liverpool City Council, and we're also having the Tirikutu that's going to start at 7 o'clock. That's a spectacle that we are having a second year in a row, and we're expecting a huge turnout.
Ladies and gentlemen, there was Satish Prasad, the National Vice President of the Sri Sanatana Dharma Sabha of Sydney, Australia. And here at Diwali Mela, I'm Rahul Raju for Bula Fiji TV.
I think you went overboard, but thank you very much. The organizing committee, the President, General Secretary of Sri Sanatana Dharma Pratinithi Sabha of Australia, ladies and gentlemen and children, I'm proud to stand here today for the flag-raising ceremony of Sanatana Dharma. The Sanatana Pratinithi Sabha of Australia has been serving the community since 1996. It has organized many cultural and religious events such as this Diwali Mela for a number of years, and it is very pleasing to know that they have been a key umbrella organization getting the Hindus together. And not only Hindus, they have engaged in a great achievement in multicultural Australia when they have
again, we welcome you all back to the Bull of Fiji TV's program here at Liverpool, the Sri Sanatan Dharam's Diwali Mela. And here we have C.K. Prasad of Gateway Legal Services. Mr. C.K. Prasad, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Raju. It's been very nice to be here on such a lovely day.
And what brings you to the town, especially when you're based in Canberra with your busy schedule?
Well, as you know, I have a branch office now in Liverpool. I've been here for a couple of years, so I'm finding myself more and more in Liverpool, mixing with the Liverpool Hindu community and Indian community, general community at large. And I think today's event is a very important event for the Hindu calendar. It's very pleasing to see that Sanatan Dharam has taken the initiative to organize this Mela in conjunction with Liverpool City Council, and I believe they've been doing it for a number of years. So it gives us a good forum to promote Sanatan Dharam and Hindu culture and tell our children what Diwali is all about.
कभी मुस्काए कभी छेड़े कभी बात करे राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न चले आग तन मन में लगे राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न चले
कान्हा किसी को पीस मिले उनको राधा के प्रेम के हैं फूल खिले इसलिए राधा चले इसलिए राधा चले बिना सोचे समझे इसलिए तो विश्वास राधा ओ गोपियाँ तारे हैं चांद है राधा फिर क्यों है उसको विश्वास राधा
राधा जी रात सताए दर दर धाम रहे राधा बेचारी फिर अपन पे क्या मांग रहे
गोपियाँ आनी जानी है राधा तो मन की रानी है गोपियाँ आनी जानी है राधा तो मन की रानी है सच सखा रे जमुना किनारे राधा राधा ही गाना पुकारे
ओए बाहों के हार जुदा ले कोई कान्हा के गले राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न चले आग तन मन में लगे राधा कैसे न चले राधा कैसे न
And they're performing live here with the children. Welcome you, Master, to the program.
Thank you very much.
And Master, today we have seen items performed by your school. What is the secret about this?
The secret is the parents' hard work. The parents doing the hard work. They are trying to teach the culture to the kids. That is the major secret behind it.
And can you tell our viewers what about the school? How is the school being operated in that part of the town?
It's a big sacrifice. This language, School of Language, Art and Culture is run by the community. It's a big sacrifice by the parents and the community, where we teach our language, our mother tongue, which is Hindi language, plus we teach our culture. For example, dance, which is Bharatnatyam. We teach other folk dances. Other than that, we teach tabla, harmonium, and Kathak dance as well. Yeah.
Coming back to the school again, Master, what would be the student role at the school?
The role of the school is to teach our kids from the next generation how to behave in this society. It's a multicultural society where if we know our own culture, it becomes a bond between other culture as well. So it is the first step towards that. It's very important. So bilingual language is also very important there as well. So knowing our culture, our religion, also we can contribute, we can interact better with other people in the society. So that's very important. Also, I would like to mention that Hindi language is offered up to HSC, high school certificate. So there is a lot of advantage of doing the language here as well.
Master, one more question for our viewers, and I believe Kok's school, your school, the cultural school, will be having an annual event this year. Would you be able to tell our viewers about the event?
Yes, I would like to invite each and every one, those who are watching today. We're on 26th of November. We are having our cultural night at Mitchell High School, Keyword Drive. Most welcome. We start at 6 o'clock, and any contacts, you can contact me as a school principal on 9628-5594. There's no problem there.
Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Master Chandrika Prasad from the Australian School of Language and Culture in Kwagazale. And I'm Rahul Raju reporting back on Bull of Fiji TV.
Girl, you're my chamakachalo. Where you go, girl, I'm gonna follow. What you want, girl, just let me know. You can be my chamakachalo. Shorty, I'm gonna get ya. You know I'm gonna get ya. You know I'll even let you be my chamakachalo. Kaisa sharmana aja nach ke dikha de. Aa meri hole aja pari da gira de. Aa meri
जाए जो मैं पर्दा गिरा लूं, हाँ तुझे अखियों में अपने बसा लूं, हाँ तू ना नखरे दिखा.
Wanna be my chamakchalo, wanna be my chamakchalo, hey.
Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl, you're mine. तेरे इश्क में हद से गुजर जाऊं. Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl, you're mine. वो तेरे इश्क में हद से गुजर जाऊं. मैं झूठ कहूँ तो मर जाऊं. Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl, you're mine. सब तेरे हवाले कर जाऊं. मैं झूठ कहूँ तो मर जाऊं. कभी तो डर जाऊं. Oh girl, you're mine. Girl, mine.
तेरे इश्क में हद से गुजर जाऊं. मैं झूठ कहूँ तो मर जाऊं. Oh boy, you're mine. Oh boy, you're mine.
Oh girl, you're mine. Oh girl, you're mine.
प्रयास है बिल्कुल कहना नहीं था फिर भी भैया सतीश के आग्रह पर चंद शब्द कहने के प्रयत्न करूँगा। सर्वप्रथम मैं अपने कार्यकर्ता जो अपनी सभा के हैं सेक्रेटरी महोदय साथ साथ उप प्रधान सतीश प्रसाद ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी को तहे दिल से हर एक व्यक्ति को धन्यवाद दे रहा हूँ जिन्होंने इतनी कठिन परिश्रम करके
Now is the moment I shall call upon the Mayor of Liverpool, Mayor Wendy Weller. Ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together for our Mayor, Mayor Wendy Weller.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land in which we gathered tonight and pay out my respects to elders past and present. Obviously acknowledge the National President, the organisers of the events over the weekends, obviously very hard-working Mr Prasad here on my right. The organising committee works so hard to do this. How about we give them a big round of applause for their hard work. This is the 5th year, I believe, that this particular festival is being held, and we're very, very proud in Liverpool to have the Diwali Mela festival happening. We are very fortunate in Liverpool because 48% of our population speak another language other than English, and we have over 150 different nationalities. We have 186,000 people, and we have another 150,000 people still to come into the area over the next 10 to 15 years. We are truly multicultural, and for the most part we are extremely harmonious, and that's because the different cultures bring to Liverpool their strengths, and they're like what I call a tapestry, where each thread has its own particular strength and culture, and the final cloth is the collection of all those different cultures. The Hindu community adds to Liverpool's vibrance and to its culture, and we are very, very proud to have the Hindu community living in Liverpool. We thank you for your contribution. I wish you well over the next 2 days. Don't eat too much. It's always hard to get rid of the calories, but enjoy. It's always wonderful to celebrate. Happy Diwali Mela.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you very much. And yes, you're right. And this is our 5th anniversary whereby we are celebrating the Diwali Mela.
रात करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हूँ, बस मुलाकातें हूँ,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। अपने तिलक लगाए, आज अपने भाग हम सवारे।
हमसे धन की देवी रूठे ना कभी,
डोर सुख चैन की टूटे ना कभी,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीजिए दी भरे भरे मन खुशी से माते जी,
रोशन करे हम आग में बुराई को जलाए।
छोड़े अब नशे की
Ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you back to Bull of Fiji TV's tonight's program at the Diwali Mela here in Liverpool. And today we have the Honourable Mayor of Liverpool City Council. Good evening, Mayor.
Good evening.
And how are you today?
I'm very well, thank you. Very well.
And Mayor, what brings you this part of the city today?
Well, obviously the celebrations, the Festival of Lights. I come here every year if I can, and this is the 5th year.
And Mayor, with your understanding with the Deepavali festival, the lights, the glamour, the food, the sweets, what is the best impression that you make out of today's event?
Well, it brings the groups together. It celebrates culture, which I think is extremely important. And I was saying earlier that we have a lot of cultures in Liverpool, and each one of them I encourage to celebrate their culture, remembering they're one community, that we're all come together and we make a strong community because of those differences.
And I believe the Liverpool City Council is absolutely supporting all community events, including the Deepavali function here.
Yes, we do, because we understand the need to sort of strengthen the community through cultural events. It's very, very important because it's about people's identity and celebrating, but also it's about who they are, and I think that's so important.
It is so great that Liverpool City Council has taken an initiative and such a commitment at that large scale to facilitate this particular event on an annual basis. What is the future of this event and with the partnership with the council?
Well, I believe it will continue. We have a community program that funds events like this, and people are invited to submit for money and for support and assistance to run cultural events. So it's part of our program, part of our sort of commitment to the community. So as long as we have the funding and I think we're able to continue to do it.
And finally, Mayor, Honourable Mayor, I know you have a very busy schedule tonight. What would you like to tell the Indian population, particularly the Fiji Indian population, in regards to the festive Diwali season?
Oh, well, I would just say happy Diwali and enjoy, because it's a really happy time. And but don't eat too much, because getting rid of the calories is a problem.
Thank you very much, Mayor, for your time tonight. And ladies and gentlemen, there was the Honourable Mayor of the Liverpool City Council.
हमारे सभा में जितने भी लोग हैं आज यहाँ बहुत से बड़े बड़े लोग दूर दूर से बनाए हुए हैं। सभी को मैं नीचे से धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ। से घमंडी और जो राक्षस है उनका दवा यही है। देवेंद्रन का जो सेना है बहुत सुंदर से सजा करके रखता है क्योंकि सेना का सेनापति उनका खुद बेटी है। they know grandpa and grandparents. ऐसे क्या?
ओके, तो आप जान जाओ, हमारे जनता पार्टी ना पहले जमाना मजरपा, हमारे ताता हमारे पार्टी से बहुत बारी झाड़ू मारता है।
हो ऐसे भी बात रहा।
हाँ,
आशीर्वाद अच्छा मिलता रहा।
मजरपा, तुम जनता पहले जमाना में ताता लोग बियर बोतल लेकर करना बैठे।
हाँ,
हाँ, तो कौन सी पे?
तो लोग एक जगह वही तो रहा।
एक रोज पार्टी हमारे ताता को ले।
हाँ,
बोले ए बेटा किधर है? बेटा, ओए बेटा। ताता वहाँ गन्ना काम में बैठा। तब आप बोला पार्टी हम नहीं ताता काय। अच्छा,
इंद्रन जान जाता है कि इंद्रलोक में कोई राक्षस आया है, तो अपनी पत्नी को बुला करके सावधान करके क्या बतलाता है देखिए। इंद्राणी बहुत अच्छी तरह से इंद्रन को पूछती है कि देखिए स्वामी, कौन इसे गरज पड़ा, कौन इसे जरूरत पड़ा कि मुझको इतने शीघ्र बुलाया, कौन से ऐसे कारण है, मुझको अच्छी तरह से और पूरा बर्ताव से बतलाओ। देखिए इंद्रन का बताता है। बहुत मर्यादा से अपने पत्नी को बतलाता है कि देखिए ये इंद्रलोक में कोई राक्षस घुस आया है, उसका फल मुझको पता नहीं है। आप कृपा करो, बेटी को लेकर के शीघ्र ब्रह्मलोक आ जाओ। फिर इसमें एक कारण है, ये नाटक में दो कहानियां थी। एक इंद्र का जो बेटी है, नारद उसका बेटी का लड़का खोजते खोजते हार गया, बहुत दूर तक खोजा, लेकिन वो नक्षत्र को मिलने वाला कोई लड़का रहा नहीं। तो नारद सीधी से सिफारिश करके बाद में दिखाएंगे कौन सा पुत्र है, तो हम पुत्र के बात होने की जो भगवान है होने से पहले ये राक्षस घुसाता है, तो इंद्र सोचता है, अपनी पत्नी को बताता है कि बेटी को लेकर ब्रह्मलोक चले जाओ, ब्रह्मा से शिकायत करो, और मैं देखता हूँ राक्षस को इसका फल उसको पता है। इंद्र बहुत जरूरी करता है, अच्छी तरह से बतलाता है कि ये इंद्राणी अपने पत्नी को बतलाता है अच्छी तरह से को ये अच्छा ही है कि बेटी को लेकर इंद्रासन को छोड़ दो, चले जाओ। कहानी उस जगह पे चली जाती है जबकि वादाभिसूरन चला जाता है इंद्रलोक, और इंद्र को पता लगता है। इंद्र को कैसे पता लगता है? बंधुगण तो जाओ, ये बहुत ताकतवर राक्षस है, ये मुसीबत का